What's up, guys? Today I'm back playing Beestorm, and as you can see, BEESMAS is here. Yes, guys, BEESMAS 2020. Got Bee Bear back. Got all the quests. Got new bee quips. You can see them bees. We got bee quips now. We got presents. We got stockings. We got all kinds of stuff. So, I've actually went ahead and done some stuff. I've done Black Bear's quest, and I gave him the present. And then I got this right here. And then, who did I do? I did polar bears. And then got this. And this feast actually gives you rounds and some like treats and stuff, which is cool. And I also did a science fair quest, and I lit up the lights, as you can see, like along the mountaintop area. And then right as I started the video, I did Mother Bear's quest, and this thing, it gives you like 1 gingerbread per 2 hours, I think. And I have helped 5 characters so far, so we have to help the 6th right now. I'm on my 6th. Yeah, I also did Panda Bear with this Snow Bear right here. See, Snow Bear? But I need to find where the 6th like thing is. Like, where is the 6th? Like, for helping 6 characters. This is 10. Oh yeah, also I have 2 ornaments right now. I have Honey Jar from Black Bear. And then I have Boxing Glove from Panda Bear. Let's see if anything's here. Maybe we can help Gummy Bee in some way. This is the 7th gift, but I only helped 5. So, where is the 6th though? Where's the 6th? We have to look around. I'm not sure. This is 12. That's 8. The one at the stump is 11. Maybe over here? No. Over here. What is this? Oh, this is 6. Okay. Okay, good. I wonder, can we get a request from the Gummy Bear? I'm curious. Gummy Bear, hello? Nope. We can't. That sucks. Also, guys, I've been grinding a bit. I have 242 snowflakes, 22 gingerbread bears, but I'm gonna have more because I'm gonna buy the reindeer puppy pack soon. Yeah, so I bought right now the Merry Mythic pack and then this Bearby too. I saw something up there. Let's go check it out. Is this for Riley Bee or something? The red bees are having trouble lighting the candles. Yeah, that's definitely for the Riley Bee. Okay. Let's go check out random stuff. Look, 10,000 red pollen. Yeah, also guys, I don't know why, but these BEESMAS quests are pretty easy and rare. I don't know how or why, but they're just how it is. Okay. Collect 20 tokens from ladybugs. Okay. Bet. something. I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, I'll also make a Tunnel Bear video. And also, guys, the BEESMAS is here. You can open like presents for helping characters. I don't know if that's been there before, but you can do it like. So for this one, you have to have 3 characters, and then you also have the bee equip thing right here. These are my stuff. And the bee equip storage is that box. And you guys you guys might already know because of leaks. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Also, if you haven't noticed, you probably have though. I have a blue mask right now. Yes, and it is quite good, as you can see. Oh no, I missed the light. Oh god, that was OP. What am I? Oh god, Nathan. Wait, am my things not ready here or something? Oh, I'm not ready. Also guys, BEESMAS, I don't know. Like, I'm just getting so much. Like, I'm just getting so much honey. I'm gonna be able to get like another slot soon. Yeah, and I'm gonna put in my mythic bee because I got a mythic egg right now. So that's cool. Okay, so now, yeah, and I got the baby. I equipped it. I am brown bear. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, these are all the stuff. I'm trying to buy another mythic egg right now. So, because if I bought another mythic egg, I'll be so OP. Oh god, I missed it. Yeah, and BEESMAS is gonna be here for 51 days from now. So 51 days from now, wait, or it's just this shop. I am not sure. Cozy bundle, a present? Yeah, I need a present, bruh. I need a present. But I don't want to buy a present. Is there another way I can get a present? If I haven't buy it. Because I really want to buy a mythic egg. Hey, we got 51 days. I can buy a present after and get the ornaments. No. Get it. Yes. I need 10 more tokens from Ladybugs. BEESMAS unboxing. Guys, there's something called a snowstorm now. I don't know how to do it, but it's something. And yeah. Okay, now black bear. Yeah, we have 33 bees. That's OP. And yes, my shark bee is almost level 9. Yes, guys, the first level 9 bee of the hive is almost here. And just buy a treat. I mean, that 487. We almost have enough to buy a bee from the shop. So it's exciting, bruh. I've never like been like this before. Also, I think that Honeybee counts as a character because like you can talk to it and stuff. So yeah. Where is 20 seconds? Where's the spike though? Yeah, and then snow bears right now. You have to summon them each 1.5 hours, I think. They each increase levels. Right now, I'm on the 3rd level snow bear. Because I did level 1 and level 2. And you guys, so Bee Bear, once you talk to him or her for the first time, you get a present from her. And presents are how you get ornaments. You give them to the bears or the characters. And you guys can give it to anyone you want. I just did it to Black Bear because I really didn't know who to give it to. I just like gave it to him because he's the closest bear and stuff. I don't know why. I just gave it to him. And the 50 million honey every minute? How are you getting that much? For 50 million a minute? Are you kidding me? That's so much. Oh yeah, guys. Also, what was I gonna say? Yeah, how does he get 50 million if he has one less beat on it? What is happening? It's because it gave that thing to on it. Gave the present to on it. You know, I think I may have to buy. I think I may. I only have 13 gingerbread bears. And then I'll get 50 from that. That's 63. And then I need to just farm 500 of snowflakes. Okay? We're like 51 days, so. What am I doing? I don't know. But if he can get 50 million from that, and I'm, no offense, kind of better than him, how much can I get? Oh wait, yes! Brown Bear Stocking quest is done. Let's do this. Brown Bear Stockings. Gonna stock us. That's all we need. Let's stuff them up. Let's stuff them right up. We're putting a little bit of everything in these. All right. And we just helped Brown Bear. Let's see what we get in these stockings. Ooh, bro, I already have a dreidel thing. I don't need it. I'm gonna buy a present now. If he gets that OP boost, then I need it. I'm gonna give my present to Onnit now. Then I'm gonna get his thing. Let me just empty out my thing. Because if his boost is that OP, then mine shall be too. Maybe? I don't know. I don't know how this works. Okay. I'm ready for it. Wait, but first I gotta claim my thing. I gotta open my 6th present box. Nah. I'm gonna open my 6 PT present box right now. Okay, bet. Bro, he thinks I'm gonna get 1 billion honey? Bruh. How could I ever get 1 billion honey? I'm no pro. I got another bee equip. What did I get? Toy drum? I already have a toy drum, right? Yeah, I already had it. Okay, well, let's see. How long is this video, just in case it's too long? Okay, only 14 minutes. Are you guys ready for the ornament? Because I am. Let's go see what he gives us. I have 24M micro converters. What is this? Oh my god! Time to give him the present. Walking in winter wonderland. Sky. Give present on it. Well, it's BEESMAS again. We do it every year now. You know, BEESMAS isn't originally a BEESMAS thing. Started out by My Bucket and Z Kevin as their love for Bumblebee Man, presumably. BEESMAS Simulator was evolved in their 2018 BEESMAS event. After that, it sort of became part of the BEESMAS Simulator too. It's convenient because it references a real holiday without being too specific. For example, it doesn't matter if we celebrate BEESMAS after real Christmas. I mean, who's to say BEESMAS doesn't actually take place in February, right? Yeah, okay. Anyway, what did you and B-Bear bring me this year? Crumple, crumple. Wow, a whole basket of Korean skincare products. As I get older, skincare becomes more and more important. This is perfect. Remember to always wear sunscreen, even in the dead of winter. Okay, now your gifts. The candy cane reindeer ornament, and some less important stuff. Without on the BEESMAS tree, you'll receive the following boost. Plus 25% convert rate, plus 25% capacity on the mountaintop field, and plus 20% pollen from tools. Keep collecting ornaments to get the most out of this year's Honey Day event. Now I'll get back to singing while you get back to honey making. Merry BEESMAS! Come on! I need to use the boost. Let me use the boost. Let me use the boost. I need to use a marshmallow bee like he said. Okay, let's go. Why did I use that? I don't know. Why did I use that? I don't know. What am I doing? I don't know. Oh my god, I am getting... Yeah, I'm really not gonna get that much. I freaking suck. But you know what will help? Boom! You can't use the extract while super smoothies there? What is that? 19 minutes? Oh my god! Wait, it's for that long? I did not know that. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to end the video in the middle of it. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna end the video here for BEESMAS. I'm gonna go grind this boost right now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.